what's up? So hopefully you enjoyed that video we just posted. We're about to go kayaking and get some GoPro clips. It's gonna be sick. Underwater, we're gonna go kayaking stuff. So yeah. Yep, we're gonna go scuba diving. So when we get there, I'll transfer it into the GoPro. So here we go. GoPro.
Hey guys, what is up? We are kind of doing. Hope we don't see no snappers.
Okay, so I'm gonna plop this thing on my head and yeah, let's go.
And hopefully,
Yeah, let's go. Let's go right through here. Let's go, boys. So hopefully the angle's good. Yee-haw, yee. Ah! Yee. Okay guys, so we're gonna Chinese! Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go snorkeling. It's really shallow here, you guys can
have you ever gotten bitten by a snapping turtle? You might see, or have you seen one big, like really big? Okay. So we changed the name to B&L Vlogs. I mean, it's kind of weird, but it could be BL Vlogs, maybe.
Yeah, we haven't went in yet, and it's freezing. It's only chilling. Oh, that's clear. Okay, we're gonna go a little farther out. We're gonna head back here. What happened?
I caught a snapping turtle. Not kidding.
Nuh-uh, you're joking.
Ow! It like bit me, kind of, I think. I don't know.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
So in the comments, if you see anything, just comment down below and tell us what time and we'll look. We found something. Yeah, the new Dalminda.
Yeah, so I was just swimming for snorkel, and look what I found. Okay, guys.
Or lake treasure. Hey, gnarly. Oh, water. I got some water in it.
Mold on there and stuff. So yeah, there's our first thing. Yep, good thing I found it. Yeah, so
We'll try to find some more. We're maybe going to see a waterfall.
yeah, so bye-bye.
Fish! Oh, it's floating.
Yeah.
Why wasn't it floating before?
Because there was water in it. We're just going through a bunch of weeds, pretty sick. We just saw like a baby turtle, like a baby snapping turtle. So yeah, we're scared. So Rip, we'll be back to you in a second. Guys, so there's like, hopefully you can see it pretty good. But there's like I don't know if you can see here, but there's a bridge up there. And the reason they put that bridge because there's a waterfall right there, and you can like fly off there. So let me get up here. I'm trying to cruise up there, and there's the waterfall. I don't know if you can see it yet. I'll take my helmet off so you can see it. See it? I'm over. I almost. Can't I just pull my kayak like this? There we go, guys. There it is. I'm like stuck right here. There's Brett. And what? See, we should go through there. I might hit my head on that, but who cares? That'd be a fun drop. We go around it? Oh, it's like pushing me. Oh, it's so calm right there. Hey, easy peasy. That thing just flew over it. There's a big rock. I want to do that. Okay, I'm gonna go over there and yeah, we'll get back to you. There he is. Okay, we're about to go up in there. So yeah, got my helmet on so I can record.
Put your nose right in there.
I want to see the, like, what's up with this fishing line? Oh, it's just line. Brad was going like panic attack.
Put your nose right in there. You're gonna flip your over.
I'm going in! Ah! Ah! What the heck? Ah! What is going on? What is going on? Ah! Everybody! Ah! Ah! I'm about to sink! Ah! What? I can't! I'm stuck! Ah! I'm getting sprayed! Everything's sinking, guys! Everything is sinking! Oh, this is sick! Oh, boy! Yeah! This is mountain! Oh, my shirt got full! Crap! Woo! Yeah! We're just cruising through here. So shallow. You don't even need a paddle, you just like push. There's so much like minnows and stuff and frogs and stuff in here. Oh shoot, I'm just cruising through here, getting stuck, but yeah, just plowing everything down. Save the living! Second river treasure. The flip-flop over there, I don't want to grab it, but flip-flop. So yeah, second river treasure. Oh crap. No! 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 Guys, I just flew into a branch, sorry. It's like, because I just crashed pretty much. But I'll tell you just what happened in the past couple, oh shoot. Past couple of seconds. So, Brett almost fell. My GoPro, like the helmet flew off my head. And I had to dive in. And then, yeah, Brett almost fell again. And now we gotta go through that. So, I'll just record this quick, slap it on my head. Oh, this is not bad. Just cruising. Drift money. Yeah. Rip. He's gonna get caught. 1, 2, 3. You're out of there, Brett. Oh crap. I don't want to hit you, go. Oh, Brett. Brett almost fell in.
No, Brett again. No.
I gotta fit under this somehow. I'm just gonna lay down.
We are having fun in the river. Backcountry.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
Oh,
No.
my arms can't. Oh my god.
It's like, here's an experienced kayaker.
Oh jeez. Like I can't control it. Like,
So we came back to the waterfall again. Look at, there's 2 birds.
oh god, they're moving.
Yeah, I know. There's 2 of them. That's pretty sick. Yeah, so we're gonna go like crawl up the waterfall. So yeah. I'm sliding! Ah! Yes! Yes!
This is fun. What's this? This is what we're seeing.
Okay, guys, out. Yeah. Ready, guys? I'm going on now. I'm inside of it. We're in. We're going under. We're going back in. We're in, guys. Listen. Roll, son of back. I'm going back. Hey. video, and it was like, I did that video like 6 days ago because I went on a trip to Illinois Cable Park. You'll see some videos of that in the next video, or 2 videos from now, because it's pretty hard to edit. But yeah, it's sick. So hopefully you enjoyed that video, and yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, Brett's not here or anything, but yeah, we might go running. Peace out. Yeet.